Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just a few hours on it. I believe it's got 5 or 10 hours on it. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Tractor does have the loader, mid-valve, and joystick on it. Has the ag tires. Still has the pips on the tires here. Foldable rollover bar. Has the stabilizer bars on both 3-point arms, top link, rear hydraulic outlet. You can see there's never been a pin in the drawbar here. 3-point has never been hooked. It's practically a new machine. That's a standard 9-speed transmission. Again, loader control right there within easy reach. 3-point hydraulic levers directly to the right there. Check the current hours for you. Current hours are 2.1. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact dates. They're just about as close to new as we can find for you. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.